Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Zikri bin Biswandi and I'm from class M3801101B and my matrix number is 2020892736. Today I'm going to present a video presentation for my subject Agr122. My lecturer name is Madam Intan Sakina binti Muhammad. The title for my video presentation is Monocotyledon and Dicotyledon. First of all, let us see the definition of monocotyledon. Monocotyledon or monocot for short refers to one of two groups of flowering plants or angiosperms. Most flowering plants are traditionally divided into two different categories, monocots and dicots. Members of each group tend to share similar features. Monocot, as the name implies, are defined by having seeds that contain a single monoembryonic leaf known as cotyledon. This is a monophyletic group that constitutes a majority of our agriculture biomass and include many important crop staples including, but not limited to, rice, wheat, corn, sugarcane, bamboo, onion, and garlic. A word of caution: when classifying flowers into monocots or dicots, remember that there are always exceptions to the rule. Some monocots may have a feature typically found in dicots or vice versa. Even a flowering plant's approximately 2% don't fit into either the monocot or dicot category. Next, let us see the definition of dicotyledon. Dicotyledons or dicots comprise a traditionally major group of flowering plants, angiosperms, whose members typically have two cotyledons or embryonic leaves in their seed, and whose flowers generally have pulse in 4 or 5 or multiples thereof. Flowering plants that are not dicotyledons are designated as monocotyledons. A flowering plant group whose seed typically contains one cotyledon, and whose flower parts are generally in trees or multiples of trees. This is the example diagram of the seed, monocotyledon and dicotyledon. As we can see that the monocotyledon seed for corn have first true leaf. Secondly, we can see the seed coat and there are endosperm and it is contains single cotyledon and embryonic root. While dicotyledon, for example bean, it have first true leaf, seed coat, endosperm and two cotyledon. We can see the difference. For monocotyledon, it has one cotyledon while dicotyledon have two cotyledon. This is the example features for monocots and dicots. Monocots only contain one cotyledon and the leaf venation usually parallel. Vascular bundles usually complexly arranged. Fibrous, it also contains fibrous root system and floral parts usually in multiples of 3. While dicots have two cotyledons, the veins usually net-like, and vascular bundles usually arranged in ring, and the type of root is taproot, usually present. The floral parts usually in multiples of 4 or 5. These are the example of monocot: asparagus, bamboo, grasses, commelinids, poles, alismatels, cyperaceae, asparagus family, banana tree, iris family. And this is the example of dicot. First is sunflower, oak tree, apple tree, almond tree, grapes tree, mangoes tree, pomegranate tree, eggplants tree, holly